guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jane Magante of Eresim Realty. Today, I will show you another house for sale in Cavite. Yes, guys. So, this is along Aguinaldo Highway. We're just 2 kilometers away from Calax Aguinaldo Highway. So, if you're going to north or south, very accessible lang tayo, guys. And also to Tagaytay Rotonda, it's just 20 minutes drive. At SM Dasma or Robinsons, it's just 10 minutes drive. And the school, we have PCU, 2 kilometers, Lyceum, 7 kilometers, De La Salle University, 8 kilometers. And for the hospital, we have Asian Medic Family Hospital, just 3 kilometers. Medcor Dasmariñas Hospital, almost in front of our subdivision, guys. And of course, we have De La Salle Medical Center. Okay, so this is our house. We have 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath, car garage, 2 balcony, storage room or maid's room. We have a lot area of 120 square meters. And guys, we have extra lot here. So if you want bigger lot, this is it, guys. We have extra lot of 139 square meters. So this house was constructed 2020. Okay, guys. So if you're looking for your retirement home or future family home, you must check this, guys. This is our house. We have fence and gate. This is a parking area. So we have parking gate here for 1 car garage. Okay, so this is the main entrance. We have a screen door. And we have small garden here in our front. And we have also pedestrian gate. So this is the side of the house. This is our storage room, or it can be your maid's room. We have sliding door here, access going inside. Okay, guys, this is a modern home built and designed by the owner. And also, we have solar power here, guys. Pasok po tayo. So we have screen door in our main door. So this is the living room. And the dining area. Okay, guys, that is a sliding door going at the side of the house. And this is our kitchen. Yan, with cabinets na tayo. By the way, guys, this is not fully furnished. Not all furnitures and appliances are included here. Okay, depende na lang sa mapapag-usapan nyo ni buyer. So, we have small kitchen here again. And then there is a door. screen door again, going to our laundry. So this is our laundry area, guys. Okay, on the other side, there's a door again, going to the toilet and bath. So this is the toilet and bath here on the ground floor. A storage area rin also. Okay, let's go upstairs. We have corner window here, guys, para additional light. So we're here on the second floor. Let's go to the bedroom 1. So this is the master's bedroom. We have 2 big windows and 1 door access going to the balcony yun, guys. We have walk-in closet. And also, we have toilet and bath here on the master's bedroom. Okay, this is the door access going to the balcony. So this is the balcony. Kagaya ng sabi ko, guys, this house is in front of the open space. So open space siyang nasa harapan natin. So mas maganda kasi yan, mayroon tayong view, makakakita pa tayo ng mga greens, mga trees. It's not so crowded yung ating location. So yan ang view natin, your garden. And guys, this is the extra lot. And guys, if you want bigger lot, check nyo to, guys. Again, guys, not included po yung ating mga furnitures and appliances. Depende sa mapapag-usapan nyo ni owner. Okay, this is the common toilet and bath here on the second floor. And this is our second bedroom. Maganda, guys, kasi we have many windows. So, one way yan na maliwanag yung bahay natin. Pag marami tayo, syempre, ng windows. So, this is the third bedroom. Okay, this is the door going to the another balcony. Yes, guys, we have 2 balconies here. let's recap. So this house has a lot area of 120 square meter with an extra lot of 139 square meters. So total lot area is 259 square meters. 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath, 1 car garage, 2 balconies, and storage room or maid's room with 10 solar panel. Okay guys, this house was constructed last 2020. Monthly dues is 1,000 per month. Yeah, so this is the amenity area. Meron tayong indoor court, indoor basketball court. Yan. And then we have also swimming pool, clubhouse. Ang laki ng amenity area dito guys. So, mag-e-enjoy ang family nyo. Hindi nyo lang kailangang lumabas. Every weekend, you can stay here for a family bonding. So, we have tennis court also. Basketball court, indoor and outdoor. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman, ang ganda ng ating swimming pool dito. Mag-e-enjoy talaga yung family nyo guys. So we have 2 swimming pools. Okay, by the way guys, monthly dues for the 2 lots is 1,000 monthly. Okay, price is 10.9 million. Okay guys, if you're interested on this property or if you're into buying or selling, please don't forget to call or message me. On the contact details shown on the screen, I will be glad to assist and help you guys. And to our dear buyers, also viewers, thank you guys, dear buyers, for trusting Arisem Realty. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!